Welcome back to Revitalize Avenue, where we're dedicated to guiding you on a journey towards a healthier mind and body. In today's video, we've got a topic that's not just important for strong bones but for overall well-being. We're diving into the world of calcium-rich foods, the real heroes behind those robust skeletal structures, identify common signs and symptoms of calcium deficiency and general guidelines for daily calcium intake. If you want to stay strong, energized, and at the top of your game, these are the foods you absolutely shouldn't miss. Let's get started. Calcium is a vital mineral that plays a foundational role in maintaining our overall health. Beyond its well-known role in building and strengthening bones and teeth, calcium is involved in numerous bodily functions, including muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and blood clotting. Ensuring an adequate intake of calcium-rich foods is essential for individuals of all ages. In this list, we will explore the top calcium-rich foods that should be a regular part of your diet. Whether you're seeking to fortify your skeletal system or simply aiming for better overall health, understanding the importance of calcium-rich foods and incorporating them into your meals can make a substantial difference in your well-being. Calcium is an essential mineral for the human body, and it plays several crucial roles in maintaining overall health and well-being. Here are some key reasons why we need calcium for the body. 1. Strong bones and teeth. Calcium is a major component of bone tissue, and it plays a vital role in building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Adequate calcium intake during childhood and adolescence is particularly important for achieving peak bone mass, which can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures later in life. 2. Muscle function. Calcium is involved in muscle contraction, including the heartbeat. It helps regulate the interaction between actin and myosin, two proteins necessary for muscle contractions. Adequate calcium levels in the body are essential for normal muscle function, including voluntary muscle movements. 3. Nerve transmission. Calcium ions are crucial for transmitting nerve signals throughout the body. Nerve cells, neurons, depend on calcium to send electrical impulses and communicate with each other and with muscles. 4. Blood clotting. Calcium is involved in the blood clotting process. When you get injured, calcium helps form blood clots to stop bleeding. Without sufficient calcium, blood clotting can be impaired, leading to excessive bleeding. 5. Cell signaling. Calcium acts as a secondary messenger in many cellular signaling pathways, helping to regulate various cellular processes, including gene expression, cell division, and cell growth. 6. Hormone secretion. Calcium plays a role in the secretion of hormones and enzymes. For example, it is involved in the release of insulin from the pancreas, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. 7. Maintaining normal blood pressure. Calcium may help regulate blood pressure by promoting the relaxation of blood vessel walls and reducing the constriction of blood vessels. Inadequate calcium intake has been associated with an increased risk of high blood pressure. Preventing calcium deficiency involves consuming an adequate amount of calcium through your diet and, if necessary, supplements under the guidance of a healthcare provider. If you are concerned about your calcium intake or suspect a deficiency, seek medical advice for appropriate diagnosis and treatment. Here's a list of top calcium-rich foods. 1. Dairy products. Milk. Milk, from cows, goats, or sheep, is a classic source of calcium. It is also often fortified with vitamin D, which aids calcium absorption. Yogurt. Yogurt is another excellent dairy source of calcium. Greek yogurt, in particular, is known for its high calcium content. Cheese. Cheese, especially hard cheeses like cheddar, Parmesan, and Swiss, is rich in calcium. It can be used in various dishes or as a topping. 2. Leafy greens. Kale. Kale is a nutrient-dense leafy green and one of the best plant-based sources of calcium. Spinach. While spinach is high in calcium, it also contains oxalates that can hinder calcium absorption. Cooking can help reduce this effect. Collard greens. Collard greens are rich in calcium and can be used in a variety of recipes. 3. Fortified foods. Fortified orange juice. Some brands of orange juice are fortified with calcium and vitamin D, making it a convenient way to get your daily intake. Fortified plant-based milk. Plant-based milk alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, and oat milk are often fortified with calcium to make them equivalent to cow's milk in terms of calcium content. Fortified breakfast cereals. Certain breakfast cereals are fortified with calcium. Check the labels for the calcium content. 4. Tofu and soy products. Tofu. Tofu made with calcium sulfate is a good plant-based source of calcium. It can be used in savory and sweet dishes. Tempeh. Tempeh is a fermented soy product that contains calcium, and it's a great protein source for vegetarians and vegans. Edamame. These young soybeans are a calcium-rich snack and can also be added to salads and stir-fries. 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds. Almonds are a delicious and healthy source of calcium. They can be eaten as a snack or added to various dishes. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are not only high in calcium but also rich in fiber and healthy fats. They can be used in puddings, smoothies, and yogurt. 6. Fish. Canned sardines and salmon. These fish are not only rich in calcium but also provide healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Make sure to eat the bones when consuming canned fish for extra calcium. 7. Beans and legumes. White beans. White beans, such as navy beans and Great Northern beans, are among the best sources of plant-based calcium. Lentils. Lentils provide a moderate amount of calcium and are a versatile ingredient in various dishes. 8. Fruits. Oranges. While not as high in calcium as dairy or leafy greens, oranges and other citrus fruits provide some calcium along with vitamin C. The recommended daily intake of calcium can vary depending on age, gender, and life stage. Here are the general guidelines for daily calcium intake provided by the U.S. National Institutes of Health, NIH, based on age and gender. 1. Infants and young children, 0 to 6 months, 200 mg mg of calcium per day, 7 to 12 months, 260 mg of calcium per day, 1 to 3 years, 700 mg of calcium per day, 4 to 8 years, 1000 mg of calcium per day. 2. Adolescents and adults, 9 to 18 years, 1300 mg of calcium per day, 19 to 50 years, 1000 mg of calcium per day for males and females, men over 50 to 1000 mg of calcium per day, women over 50 to 1200 mg of calcium per day. 3. Pregnant and nursing women. Pregnant and lactating women have increased calcium needs. Adolescents, 14 to 18 years, who are pregnant or lactating, 1300 mg per day. Adults, 19 years and older, who are pregnant or lactating, 1000 mg per day. These recommendations represent the total daily intake of calcium from all dietary sources, including both food and supplements. It's important to note that individual needs may vary based on factors such as activity level, bone health, and overall health status. Some people, especially those with certain medical conditions or dietary restrictions, may need more or less calcium. To meet your daily calcium needs, you can incorporate calcium-rich foods into your diet, such as dairy products, leafy greens, fortified foods, and other sources mentioned earlier. If you have concerns about meeting your calcium requirements or need personalized dietary guidance, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. They can help you create a balanced diet plan that meets your specific needs. Stay healthy, stay happy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more positivity and informative content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.